Okay, so solving a system of equations, two equations with two variables x and y, there's three things that can happen. One, you can have one solution where they just cross at one point and you get like a single xy answer. I'm doing it graphically just as a review. No solutions are two lines that never cross, so they'd have like the same slope but a different y-intercept. Like say y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals 2x minus 4. That would be no solutions. And then infinite is if they're the exact same equation. So the two lines line right on top of each other and then they share all the same points. So we want this one to be infinite, meaning we want them to be the same equation. Okay, so what you kind of got to realize here is that these, like the x's and y's would match and make them the same equation if you took this equation times, let's see, times 3. That would give us 6x's and negative 3y. Right, then they would be the exact same equation. Okay, which means we'd also have to take this 8 times 3, which would be 24, meaning we want this thing to be 24. So we want 4 times a to be a 24. And then if you divide by 4, you figure out that you want a to be 6. Okay, so if a were 6, again, this would be a 24 right here. And then they would be really the same equation and have infinite solutions. So our right answer here is B6.